Hey, it's Justice, and this is Alien. Enjoy the video. Hey, it's Justice, and today, Alien's gonna try his best at making animal sounds on our planet. So here's Alien to see if he can make the sounds properly. Hey, it's Alien, and today I'm going to make sounds that animals on your planet make. So here we go. Alien's going to play video, and he's going to see if he can copy them. That's Kitty Cat. Next one is a doggy, like Asher. So let's see if Alien can do doggy. Ruff, 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 ruff. Next one, cow. Next one is a chicken. Next. The next one is a sheep. The next one is a horse. The next one is a piggy. Next one is a donkey. Donkeys make this sound. Next one. The next one is a rooster. Next one. The next one is a ducky. Quack, 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 quack. The next one is a billy goat. Next. The next one is a frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ooh, that one's a loud one. That one is a lion. That's a lion. Big furry one. The next one is a monkey. That's monkey. Next one Next one is a winter bear. Brrr, 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 brrr. The next one is an elephant. Elephant makes this sound. Roar, roar, roar. And the last one we have for now is a woofie. And woofie makes this sound. Oh, oh, oh. Alien had a fun time copying the animal sounds on your planet. I'll see you next time. Have fun playing and pretending to be other things like Alien pretend to be by making sounds like animals on your planet. Okay? Have fun playing with the animals that you have. And make sure to keep them safe and keep them fed. Bye!